Okay, so mostly peoples have a problem to access a server. Welcome to the video, and in this video we would like to show you how you can get VNC access or rescue access from our team. So when you talk about a VNC is nothing but it is a similar to your SSH, but you can access it via web. And even if your network connections or you are not able to connect, you can be able to connect your server with the help of VNC. Okay, so that's how the process works. Sometimes what happens, your network connections got dropped or you are not able to access the server, but you know your system is running from the backend, so that time you can able to use the VNC. About the rescue mode, let's say OS got crashed, then it is not possible to access VNC or SSH. So in this case, we will install a temporary OS which is called as a rescue, and in that you can able to log into the server, get access to the disk, and you can take your website or data backup very easily with this method. And if there is some minor issues in the OS, you can able to fix that. So these are VNCs and rescue mode goals. So how you will get VNC access? For that, you have to simply go to your dashboard or control panel of your VPS and scroll down and find VNC Console. When you click on VNC Console, you will get this screen. In this screen, we have clearly mentioned that if you want this emergency console, simply open a ticket, we will enable it. And once we enable it, you will get it, the login details here. Okay, that's how the process works. Whereas the few servers, you will get on and off options here only. So just simply click on, you will directly get VNC access details like IP address. And for the rescue mode also, you can able to go and simply open a ticket. We will install a rescue OS and we will give you login details. For the rescue mode, you can able to use your SSH to log into the server. That is a very easy process. For the VNC access, you may use RealVNC Viewer. You will find this application on the internet. Simply open it, and here you have to enter the IP address with a port number. Let's say this. You will get connected and it will ask you for the password. Simply enter a password, you can able to access a VNC. For the rescue mode, simply use PuTTY. Enter the username, enter the IP address, port number by default 22. Click on open, enter root as a username and password we will share you. And then you can take the rescue mode and you can fix your OS level issues with the rescue mode. Still have a query or doubt, you can able to comment below, or you can able to contact our support team. We are available 24/7 to assist you.